Hey guys, I just want to give you guys this particular update. Guys, have you been looking for different ways to make money from, guys? You have been spending your time playing games that does not pay, instead that the one that's earning money from you guys. Guys, I have found a particular game. This particular a particular app that pays you just by answering surveys, like different type of surveys from different type of client. Guys, this particular app work just like magic. Like it works to work just like magic. I have tried this particular app and I see it works just like that. If I was safe, I didn't want to believe it because the way I was making money from that app, I was so very how is that possible? But yeah, guys, it is actually true. I was making money from this app. This app is called SurveyStreak. You can use it for your site also. This app is called SurveyStreak. It pays you just by answering different type of surveys with each client, like everybody in it. Guys, make sure when you go to your Play Store or App Store, go and download SurveyStreak. It pays you just by answering surveys. Like you can make up to like $5, $10, $15, $25, or even $50. Guys, hear me out. Yeah, I'm not actually kidding. Like I just want to give you guys this update. You know, Christmas is coming very soon. I don't want to be broke. You don't want to be broke. So guys, go and check this out. I'll be showing you everything on my screen recording. I have made a lot of money from this particular app. In fact, I'm about to cash out. So guys, watch this particular video as I show you the screen recording of me cashing out. So watch it. All you need right now is just to go straight to the particular survey. As you can see right here, this particular app is called SurveyStreak Mobiles. Then I'm gonna click on the app, and you guys are gonna see how much I've already made from this app. You see, guys, up here you can see I made $10.50. Can you imagine? You see everything, like it's gonna say reviews, different type of feed. You can see it's name SurveyStreak. Even the name is right there, and my earnings is right there. So I'm gonna click on my survey. My earnings. You can see right now. These are my history. These are my transaction history of every month I have made from this app. And also, I'm gonna cash out right now. You see, and that was how I was able to cash out $10.16. So don't waste your time answering those creepy, so those simple ones. This app, it pays you just well, just like magic. Are you tired of getting locked out from different type of surveys? Try SurveyStreak and you're gonna love it. In fact, you know what it does? Do you know what made me to hit my $10 fast so quick? It increase your bonus. Like when you're answering surveys, like when you're asking surveys, it increase your earnings. Like now, right now, he has given me a bonus. Like in fact, God said, even when you read the app, there will be an estimate whereby they'll ask you to read the app. When you read the app, they add 10% to your money. Like they add 10% to the money about you're gonna make. Let me say, for example, now you are about to play a survey that this particular survey is gonna pay you 50p if you answer that survey successfully. Yeah, if answer the particular survey successfully, you're gonna get paid. Let me say it was 50 pence or 50 pounds. I mean 50 pence or 50 cents that shows right there. That money is gonna increase. It's gonna show 50 cents, but it's gonna increase to 56 or 60 or 70 or even £1. So what are you waiting for? Go and download SurveyStreak. That's why it's called SurveyStreak. It works just like magic. You don't want to be broke. And also, unfortunately, this app is only eligible in this country, which is United Kingdom, United States, Italy, Canada, Brazil, and every other eligible country. So you don't want to miss this particular update. Go and try SurveyStreak and thank me later. Bye besties. Bye. I mean your favorite boy. Vibrate Recipe. Bye.